what's up?
What's up everybody, Seeley here. Today we are in Maui and we are going to be shooting with a brand new model who has shot one time before. Stay tuned. The key to making money with photography is learning how to shoot models that don't have experience. That way you have value when you're teaching them what to do. Our model today is
Mikako.
Are you based out of Maui?
Yes.
Are you excited today?
Yeah.
Do you have any examples of what made your last shoot less than ideal?
So the photos were very nice, but I just felt like a lot of the times I didn't know poses or like what to do. It kind of just told me to like go over there and take a picture, and they didn't really tell me any poses, so I didn't know what to do. But
so based on that, how did that make you feel as a model when you're just expected to do everything on your own?
Kind of nervous because I was with a couple other experienced models and I was the only one that was inexperienced, so yeah, I felt kind of nervous.
So key thing is when you're shooting with somebody is really key, especially if they don't have a lot of experience, for you to communicate what you're looking for. Always have that constant communication so they know when they're doing something good and when they're doing something that you don't find very photogenic. All right, first set we're gonna have Ty over there. He's gonna do the first set and we're gonna watch along as he goes.
Pressure.
Toma, man, toma.
Yeah. These guys are leading me to drinking.
Yes.
Bring your this hand up to your shoulder, a little over across. There you go, right there. Put your thumb into your pocket a little bit. There you go. Right there. Chin slightly up. Right there. Right there. Stop. Stop. Down. Chin down. There you go. A little bit eyes towards me. Down a little bit. There you go. Good. Good. Right. Eyes. Look over here. Good. Good. I like it. Bring your right hand, both of them in your hips. Right there. Right there. Good. 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 Good.
Oh, my name's Kai Ray, and I live in Maui.
My name is Kyle Stefan, and I'm this guy's neighbor.
We're here to, up our photography game because we both love photography. Everything that we can do with cameras and things like that, we want to be able to get better and progress.
Yeah, I just love meeting other creatives, getting together and learning from each other. Always talking about community over competition. I just love meeting people because then I get inspired, and then vice versa, I see them getting inspired. So it's always fun, watching each other grow.
How did Ty do?
Good, I felt really comfortable. I never felt like I didn't know what I was doing. And yeah, it was good.
So on 1 to 10
Good job.
scale, how important is communication with him telling you what to do? 10? If you gave Ty a score 1 to 10 overall.
10.
No, be honest.
No, he was really good.
No, don't talk, no.
I'm not joking.
No, don't compliment the photographer. Okay, so let's go over what are 2 of the things that you appreciated most with Ty.
Communication and him helping me how to pose and stuff, like telling me what looks good.
Nice. If Kai was the only one that shot today, does that make you want to shoot more?
Yeah.
So the wrinkles up, very nice. I love how you're posing already. Perfect. And then if you, I'm just gonna do a couple test shots, but if you're looking down this way, there you go, beautiful. Perfect. Very nice. And then, Ty, if you're able to drop it down just a little, yeah? Perfect, perfect. Awesome, very nice. I love that. And 1, 2, 3, perfect. And then just brush, with your left hand, just brush it into your hair, yeah? There you go. Nice. Awesome. That's really good. Perfect. Awesome. And just straighten up your back a little bit, yeah? I love that, yeah. And then go ahead and put your feet together. I'm gonna count to 3. You're just gonna tiptoe, okay?
Okay.
Yeah? All right. 1, 2, 3, boom. And then this time your right hand, just go ahead and put it in your loop, yeah? In the belt loop. There you go. You can do both hands. And then I'll have you pop up, okay? All right, and 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Wow. Yeah, yeah.
I like tall. Yay!
Awesome. Now I'm just gonna turn it up, make it even brighter. So flashing my armpit, yeah. Okay. So again, we just got a little bit of crinkles here. We're just gonna pull it down. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. All right. And then what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna have you walk in. So I'm gonna have you take a couple steps back. So maybe 3 or 4 steps. Yep. And then as you come towards me, you're gonna pretend you're drunk. You don't know which way you're going. You're gonna be, oh, I'm going left. Oh no, I'm going right.
Okay.
So you just kind of cross over a little, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And just taking about 2 steps. Perfect. Yep. Very nice. Wow. Beautiful. And hold it right there. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I love that. The next one we're gonna be standing right here. And then so I'm just gonna have you, it's gonna be an over the shoulder look. So you're gonna better?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna take a step with your left foot and then just look back.
Okay.
Just like that, yeah?
Okay.
But you're gonna be doing it right over here. And then so left foot and then back, yeah? Perfect. All right, let me get a good angle here. Okay, now go ahead and just fix the hair a little bit. Very nice. Okay, and go ahead, step and then look. Wow, beautiful, love that extension. All right, very good. Wow. See that extension? No. You step in and then you drag that back foot. Oh yeah, exactly. These are tricks. Yeah. So as you drag that back foot, you can twist even more. If you twist a little bit more, butt's just gonna bunch up a little bit more.
Okay.
And so if that's what you're going
Cool.
for,
Yeah.
yeah, perfect. All right. So I'm gonna get a little bit lower for this shot. Okay, go ahead, take a step, and yep, perfect, beautiful. And then when you drag that back foot, go ahead and point that toe as you drag, yeah?
Okay.
See that? Perfect. And we'll just do one more and that's it. Okay, ready and go for it. Perfect, yeah. Awesome.
I love it. Yay, thank you.
No problem. I'm just gonna do one more close up.
Okay.
Perfect. So I'm just looking at how the light's hitting her nose, yeah? So go ahead, chin down just a little bit, a little subtle. So now just from the hips, you're gonna come towards me a little bit, yeah? And then chin down, yeah, perfect. One,
That
two,
scared me.
three. One more, 1, 2, 3. All right, wow, love it. It's like kind of a shy, kind of cute.
Yeah.
All right. And then, yeah, that's a wrap.
Oh.
Yee. All right. Thank you, Ty.
Yeah.
So,
Good shot.
thank you. Yeah, so this, I'm always looking at, you know, if I have to increase the power to, right, knock out that sun that's hitting there, or I just have it tilt down a little bit. Yeah, wow. That
Yeah,
shot.
I love both of them.
So crazy.
Thank you.
It makes you look long, too.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. I love it.
You'd never tell I'm 4'11".
You're 4'11"?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. I'm barely 5, so. But damn.
Yeah, thank you. I
Yeah.
love them all. You're so good.
Oh, thank you.
How'd you feel?
Good, thank you.
How was that?
It was really good.
So what did you like most about that set?
I liked how he told me how to pose. It was really, really good, and he makes my butt look big.
So how important was it to be able to see the images here when you look at the back of the camera?
10.
10.
Those are test shots.
So that is a great tip when you're shooting. Do not be scared to show the camera because it's going to allow you to communicate better, and then it gives the model a lot more confidence when they see exactly how they look. Good job.
Thank you.